Today I'm going to show you about one of my favorite products. I'm actually holding the box backwards. Rain-X. I love this stuff. It's winter season out here in California, and this product does amazing wonders for your windshield and the windshield wipers and helps prolong everything and keep everything nice and clean when you're driving down the road. So let me show you how it works. So first things first is we're going to clean the window. So I have some water right here. I'm going to use some blue towels. I'm going to clean it, and then I'm going to come back with Windex and I'm going to clean the whole thing up.
Rain-X Glass Water Repellent treats the glass surface with a super slick, non-stick, invisible barrier that repels rain, sleet, and snow on contact, improving all-weather visibility, safety, and driving comfort straight off the box. The first thing that we need to do is clean and thoroughly dry the surface before applying the Rain-X. You also want to apply the Rain-X in a temperature above 40 degrees.
Now we're going to put a piece of blue tape straight down the middle of my windshield so that I'm going to put Rain-X on one side and nothing except for what we just did is going to be on the other side, and then I'm going to go down the road and I'm going to show you guys the difference. Alright, so one of the things I really like doing with these Rain-X is actually having some nice clean microfiber cloths that really helps. So, almost dropped my Rain-X. So, let's get started. Oh, hold on. There's another cap. Oopsies. Brand new bottle. Just for you guys. Let's try this again. All right, there we go. Now we just take this and we're going to wipe it on the window.
Apply on a dry cloth and use firm circular motions to apply to the window. Make sure you're hitting the exterior and don't miss a spot.
There we go. Now what we do is we're going to leave that to dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. But when it's done, it's going to have a clear, like film hazy look to it. So here you can see how it's definitely a lot hazier. This is pretty much what the end looks like. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit longer because I did have a lot of Rain-X on that rag. I just want to make sure everything's dry, and then we're going to come back with a dry cloth, microfiber cloth, and we're going to rub this off. This is kind of like waxing for your window. So it's going to help out a lot. So I'm excited to show you guys. All right, let's go for a drive. Here's a great example. I'm just cruising down the road of what the difference is between the Rain-X side and the non-Rain-X side. See all the water, those big bubbles that are now moving down the window because I've stopped? It's much smaller, easier to look through here. Big bubbles and things over there. Bubbles, water droplets. Then watch as I'm going forward. The left side, Rain-X, will start to move up and out of the way. Much faster, much more clean. This side's still completely blocked up, barely moving. Rain-X side, almost completely clear.